Hi friends, welcome to downtown Atlanta. Here we are. Gonna see what photos I can get today. Look at that beautiful building. It is 7:12 local time. See if we can get the... Okay. Nice. All right, we'll go back this way. Still a little chilly. Hopefully it warms up. Been to Atlanta quite a few times. One of my more visited cities. It's a fun place. You can get some good shots here. Pretty clouds over there. I've got cars going about their morning routine. Let's bring the shutter speed way down so that we can create some drag. Just waiting for interesting cars. I'm not running out of cars. It's a constant flow. That's nice. Yep. These cars are moving pretty quickly. Trying to lose focus. Oh my gosh, somebody's mad. Oh, I can get the guy on the bottom there. That's fun. Medical arts. Huh. This is a nice corner. Lots of people going about their business. Some of them business people. I think it might be nice to not get hit by a car first and foremost. And then get over here. Nice, got a little bit of shutter drag on that. That was helpful. Yeah, so Atlanta does have a lot of interesting building fronts, like this, just kind of a flat wall and then holes in the wall. Morning. So another thing that Atlanta has that is a lot of fun is these sky bridges. I don't think I've ever seen a city with so many sky bridges. They really go for it. This one goes from here all the way to that building, all the way over there, across the parking lot. Pretty fun. Just, ooh, vibe. Cool. Yeah, good lighting this morning. I'm happy. Yeah, I don't know if I've been out at this time before. Wasn't really sure exactly what to expect, but it's working out quite nicely so far. Kind of soft light. There's enough light, you know, on the ground level that it works, and then there's bright points and dark points. Dynamic. I'm gonna see if I can get into that tunnel. I think that might be fun. I'm not sure this is a public sky bridge. Let's see if it opens. It opens. Morning. Oh wow. Oh wow. Focus. Myself a texture. Oh, that's interesting. That's fun. Morning. Oh man. Let's see how that goes. Wow. This is a long tunnel. Morning. Cool. It would be fun as if the guy who was on that sticker is the person who put that sticker there. I think that would be fun. I'm gonna start leaving stickers of myself in different places. Hi. The things I like about photo walks is you get your steps in. Never have too many steps. I mean, I guess unless you've injured yourself or something. All right, back down to the street. Bookmark. Hoping for something to happen. Kind of a mess, isn't it? This hotel is absolutely beautiful on the inside. I had the privilege of staying there once. You know, teleporting would be a helpful skill for street photography, but as I say that, then I wouldn't be getting my steps in. Okay, we'll go up this way. I don't have anything for you. I can go get you a coffee or something.
Oh, yes, please.
All right, I'll be right back.
Okay.
What's your name? All right. Good to meet you. I'm James. Okay. Have to ask her how she wants it. Hey, question. How do you want it?
Anyway.
Anyway? You like black coffee?
No, strong.
Strong, like black, like nothing in it, just black?
No, it's cream, sugar.
Okay. All right, cool. I'll get some cream and then I'll bring you some sugar.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you.
Yeah. Question. Is there a coffee shop in here?
Everything is downstairs.
Okay.
But I know I saw you with a camera, but you're not allowed to take picture anywhere around the property.
No problem. I'll turn it off, all right?
Oh, yeah.
No problem. Is there a coffee shop down
yeah,
there?
coffee shop. Everything is downstairs.
Thank you, sir. Okay. I hope she likes it. There you go. All right, I got them to put cream in it. I didn't know how much you like, so
Okay,
there you go.
thank you so much. God bless you.
All right, God bless you. Have a good day, okay? Weston. 73 stories of circular, cylindrical beauty. So if you guys have seen my last Atlanta photo walk, I took a portrait of a guy right there. And it ended up being the intro for my, well, the intro of my intro for my Skillshare class. Ooh, it's getting the sunlight. It is breezy. How you doing, sir? What's up, bud? This is also a very beautiful building. The other side of it is like steps. This is a nice angle. Yeah, it's a good time to be out. The light is fun. They put a mustache on it. Because why not put a mustache on a building, you know? This is a very beautiful building as well. Ah, everything is beautiful, okay? We'll just stop there. Whoa. Almost broke an ankle. You know, sky bridges are a good way to stay connected. Vibe. See if I can get these stairs to cooperate. Well, get a person to cooperate upon these stairs. Try to get all the clutter out of the bottom ground. This kind of idea. Oh no, I thought that guy was gonna go up and I got excited. Hang out right here for a second. By these signs, you know, inconspicuously. I am a sign. I am a sign. Just gonna lean on it. Lean on it. It won't be long. Some people will come downstairs. That did not flow at all. Any of you guys out there ever do photo walks while, you know, wearing some AirPods or some headphones and bumping music loudly to create a you know, a feel for yourself. I'm curious. Probably an interesting way to do a photo walk. It would definitely get in the way of there's a guy going upstairs. Right as there's a van in the way. That's it. That's how it goes. Oh no, there's so many cars. But yeah, I feel like it would get in the way of human interaction. That would be the issue. So if you're in a place that's very sparsely populated and you know, you can be a loner, then there you go. But I mean, if you have to rip out your earbuds because somebody's talking to you about how they're frustrated about you taking their photo, then that might be a problematic situation. What I need is a very tall person. You see that guy was looking at me, and that was helpful. And it might work with those cars. It just modern cars, man. I'm gonna move along. I'm getting the jitters. You know, you want to call on your brother when you need a hand, because we all need somebody to lean on. Oh man, right there with the suitcase. Cool. Oh, that's sign behind his head. There's a car coming towards me. He was in my shot, so just gotta make sure he's not gonna follow me around. Okay, he's going the other way. That fire hydrant. It's black and gold. It's coffee time. Hi. Coffee obtained. Whoa, cool. That's like a big circle screen. Cool. Fun. Hi. Hello. Oh my gosh. It looks delicious and deadly. Alright guys, I'm almost to my car. Gonna wrap it up here. Thanks for coming along. I enjoyed it. I think we got a couple of solid shots today here in the city of Atlanta. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out my Skillshare class. Links below. Get 1 month free and learn street photography and whatever else you want to learn. Like I said, there's also a how to make a grilled cheese sandwich class on there. So, I mean, how do you pass up that value, you know? Okay, bye guys. Cheers.